A warm welcome to ARAC International at Greenfeed Manufacturing Facility. 2025 Taiwan Agricultural Machinery Exhibition wrapped up successfully. Liaoning Haicheng Nanguo Pears Spring Fertilization Demonstration. Greenfeed used on honey pomelo for 3 consecutive years in Fujian, China. Greenfeed's low-release fertilizer enhanced durian fruit growth. Greenfeed make agriculture simple and easy. Hello everyone, I am Kelly.
I'm 𝗿𝗲𝗂𝗽𝗋. Welcome to Greenfeed Special Report brought to you by Greenfeed Malaysia. Let's start with a local news update. On April 21st, Greenfeed Malaysia had the honor of hosting Mr. 𝗿𝗲𝗂𝗃𝗃𝗃 and Mr. 𝗵𝗃 Sie_𝗱𝗶𝗄𝗃 from ARAC International at our manufacturing facility. Dr. Santhu Nathan, Greenfeed project consultant, provided a detailed overview of the benefit of Greenfeed's low-release fertilizer and control-release fertilizers.
During the visit, the guests toured the Hall of Fame and manufacturing facility, gaining valuable insight into Greenfeed patented technology and manufacturing process. They also visited the laboratory for a closer look at our R&D capability and quality control system. It was an honor to welcome representatives from ARAC International, and we look forward to deepening our collaboration to advance sustainable agriculture together.
Let's turn our attention to Taiwan. The 19th Taiwan International Agricultural Machinery and Material Exhibition, held from April 19 to 21st, wrapped up successfully. The event saw a large turnout, with planters actively participating in this agricultural machinery exhibition in Chiayi. Our Taiwanese partner, 𝗿𝗏𝗄𝗃 Agritech, had a booth that attracted many visitors who inquired about Greenfeed's low-release fertilizer. We would like to sincerely thank all the planters who attend and support the event, as well as the 𝗿𝗏𝗄𝗃 Agritech team for their hard work. We look forward to meeting everyone again at 2026 Taiwan International Agricultural Machinery and Material Exhibition.
Recently, the Greenfeed team revisited a Nanguo pear plantation in Haicheng, Liaoning to provide spring fertilizer application guidance. It is the critical period for flower bud development on Nanguo pear tree. The team demonstrated the application method and highlighted the yield-enhancing effect of Greenfeed control-release fertilizer, which known as 𝗟𝗟𝗏, launched by Greenfeed Malaysia in 2024, has an outer layer of special polymer that control nutrient release, combined with the inner silicon aluminate slow-release substrate. This 𝗿𝗶-LP dual-release system is ideal for spring fertilizer application in Nanguo pear, effectively promoting flower bud development.
Let's turn our focus to Fujian. Recently, the Greenfeed team revisited a honey pomelo orchard in Fujian that has been using Greenfeed's low-release fertilizer for 3 consecutive years. It's currently the flowering season, and the orchard is filled with the buds as far as the eyes can see. The trees applied with Greenfeed not only have abundance of blossom, but also exhibit strong growth and vigorous structure. Their leaves are thick, lush green, and evenly spread. We sincerely thank to the planter for their continued trust and support over the past 3 years, and we wish them have a bumper harvest in this season.
Lastly, let's check out some durian news update. At the end of March, Greenfeed team revisited a durian orchard in Negeri Sembilan and observed the female flower gradually blooming, while the male stamens extend overnight. Pollinating insects were actively gathered to assist with pollination.
Yes, 2 weeks later, the same tree had started setting fruits. On average, 1 fruit set for every 8 to 20 flowers. We also like to remind all the planters, when the durian fruit reaches about the size of a tennis ball, don't forget to apply Greenfeed high potassium formula to continue providing essential nutrients for healthy fruit development. That's wrap up this edition of News Highlights. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.